Hey friends, how's it going? If you're here, chances are that you've been hearing a lot about the buzz about the Purple Peel exploit and how it's been changing the game for weight loss. Well, I'm about to break it all down for you, and yes, I've got the link to the official MITOLYN website right down in the description. Trust me, this is one thing you don't want to miss, so make sure you check it out. Okay, so let's get into it. The Purple Peel exploit is all about fixing something that has been holding so many of us back, our mitochondria. These are the powerhouse in your cells, basically the engine that decides how much fat your body is going to burn. So when they're working right, your metabolism is in like beast mode, burning fat and keeping your energy high. But when they slow down, thanks to stress, aging, or just life, weight starts peeling on, and no matter what you do, that's where MITOLYN comes in. It's an amazing natural supplement designed to target those mitochondria and get them really firing on all cylinders again. Seriously, it's like flipping a switch inside your body to turn fat burning mode 24/7. And guess what? You can literally grab MITOLYN through the official website in the description below. And that is the only place to get the legit product, so don't get caught up in scams or knockoffs. Let me tell you though, what makes MITOLYN stand out, first off, it's packed with some powerful natural ingredients. For example, maqui berry is a total changer. It's known for antioxidant properties, helping reduce inflammation and kick-starting that fat burning process. Then there's also rhodiola, which not only helps with weight loss, but also gives you the energy and focus to crush your day. And these are just like a couple of the ingredients that make really MITOLYN so effective. But what's really, really cool is that MITOLYN isn't just about dropping pounds, guys. It's literally about helping you feel like the best version of yourself, more energy, better mood, sharpened focus, and yes, looking great too. And it's so simple to use. Just add it to your routine and let your body do the rest. And oh, one more thing. MITOLYN comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Yep, you heard that right. You've got 3 whole months to try it out. And if it doesn't work for you, just get your money back. No question asked. And that's how confident they are. And that's, that's going to make a difference for you. So honestly, what are you waiting for? Click that link in the description, head over to the official website and get started with MITOLYN today. It's time to take control of your weight, your health, and your confidence. You've got nothing to lose except the weight, of course. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and go grab your MITOLYN and let me know how it works for you. I'll see you next time. Take care.